So what's up, y'all? Reginald Johnson here. I wanted to start off with going back into Compute Engine. We're gonna try go back into Compute Engine. We're just going down the list as far as the tutorials go. So the next one, it says create a managed instance group. So like I said, we're just following the tutorial. Tutorial opens in this window. I'm trying to click on it. There you go. Alright, create a managed instance group. A managed instance group is a group of virtual machine instances that you can control as a single entity. MIGs support features such as auto healing, auto scaling, load balancing, multiple zone coverage, and stateful workloads. To learn how to enable the compute engine in your project, create an instance template, create a MIG or managed instance group using the template. Avoid cleanup to avoid billing charges. Estimated time 5 minutes. So this is gonna be short. Select a project or create one. No, I already have one created called Total Beginner. So if you was to create a new one, I'm gonna just click and show you. You would create a new one and then enter your project name here, whatever you want it to be, and then click create. And of course your organization. I didn't really set one up, but that's how you would do it. Click cancel. Select a project or create one. Total Beginner, which is my project. And this says the necessary APIs are enabled. It's going to tell you to hit enable. My API is enabled already. In the cloud console navigation menu, hold the pointer over the compute interest and then select instance templates. And it tells you how it looks. Compute engine instance template. So we're in here already. So we go to instance templates. Then create instance template. Now it says create an instance template that uses an Ubuntu. Create a template that uses an Ubuntu OS. Perform the following steps. In the boot this session, click change. In the operating system, let's select Ubuntu. So first we gotta name this something. So name this. Yeah. I know this. My browser been acting up today. Total. Let's move this slow, boy. Let's see, that's 3 N's. Total Beginner. Let's put Total Beginner instance. Down to it says boot this section, so we're gonna go down there. Click change. It's gonna pop up like this. Let's see. Alright, so my browser's moving extra slow. I might have to like restart my computer or something. It's acting crazy. Anyway, Ubuntu. Click on Ubuntu. We're gonna click. We're gonna click on version 20 because I know that one is pretty good and pretty stable. We're just gonna leave this as is. Balance persistent disk. Hit 10. Hit select. Go down to the bottom. It gives us our estimated monthly cost here. As you can see up here, we're just gonna go. Oh, it does. We're just gonna go down to the bottom. Click create here. As you can see here at the bottom, so that's the equivalent command line. Let's actually look at that. So this is what you would have to type in here to create the same thing in the command line. We're gonna run through another tutorial on how to do this. Like, 'cause I know there's a way. I gotta go through that tutorial. So we're gonna click create. Okay, so normally it'll give you something saying, hey, it's building or something. So allow a few minutes for the computer engine to create the template. When the template is ready, it's listed on the instant templates page. So we're just gonna refresh this. Oh, it's ready? Say it's gonna take a few minutes. Well, that's good for us. It's ready. Learn how to use the template, create a Meg. Go to the instance group page, create instance group, and perform the following steps. So that's the instance groups page. Oh, up here it says create instance group. Didn't see that. So this. Oh, we have to select that. Then hit create instance group. Alright, so we clicked on create instance group. In the instance group name, we're gonna put total beginner instance group, total beginner instance group. Like I said, you can name this whatever you want, but I'm just naming it that just so I know that it's part of it's all uniform. So in the name field, accept the default name or enter quick start group instance 1. I'll just name the total beginner instance group, because that's what I always named it. Total beginner instance. In the local location zone, click single zone. In the auto scaling section, set the default settings. And then click create at the bottom. So you can see all the options here. Then click create at the bottom. I have it here. Bam. A little pop-up says creating instance group. Says allow a few minutes for instance group to be created. So we're gonna pause and come back. Okay, so now this thing is done. So we're gonna click next on the tutorial. Oh, it says we're done. We've created a managed instance group. That's how you do it. So, next says clean up, avoiding and billing. To clean up, avoid billing charges, or keep the resources created, or do more with compute engine. Delete the resource. Go to the instance page group. I think we are here already. Select the instance group that you want to delete, which is this one here, the one we just created. I guess we will click here, then click delete. Then it makes you type delete. That's what I'm gonna do. Hit enter. Boom. Just deleting it. And that's it, folks. That's how you would create and manage instance group. Like it's real simple. The tutorials on Google Cloud are really good. So make sure if you're getting into Google Cloud, you get your base account, and you'll get like $300 credit to play around with stuff, and just play around with some stuff. That's all I'm doing here, and I encourage you all to do the same. I'm Reginald Johnson, Cloud Compute Mafia. Peace.